vlog of Hale, because I'm on Hale this year. I'm not.
Live for Hale.
Over the vlog.
Live for Hale.
And we have a team bonding over Kathy's, and we get to swim tomorrow, and then we have practice, so that's gonna be the real struggle. He's a diabetic.
Okay, wait.
The dumb diabetic.
Don't go yet.
How do you feel having all these people in your house?
Yeah.
Exactly. Tartan, we literally just had a 2-hour practice, and this is how Tartan looks. How? Me? How do you feel having all these people in your house?
No comment. Get that out of here! Hey, get that out of here!
My mom's got mad at me.
That's Mara. Right, yeah.
Will you eat the rest for me?
She wants us all to run. Buffalo chicken dip. Major key. The cookie dough. Major key. Wait here. Hey. Go!
We get turned up. We get turned up.
So much food. It's good because I'm going to eat it all. I had a vlog. Are you okay? This is vlog. First one of the year. We're going swimming. Yeah! Look at him. Hey. Say hi. The party poopers of the section.
Oh, no chicken.
I'm just enjoying
The show.
Yeah, this is...
Well, I mean, I was enjoying the show until you got me.
He can put on. Twice now. That's great. Oh. Hey, we're really turned right now. Just kick my Yana.
Who's going to the Yana?
He's like,
You all over my grill. Paparazzi, get out of here.
grab both. Holy crap. I got that. Okay guys, it's 2:30 and everyone's still up.
Get your butt out of my face.
Sophia's doing Drew's makeup.
And me.
And Maddie Ray.
Y'all jumping me.
I ain't helping him.
Hello. Me and Lily are the couple of the team. We're married, if you didn't know.
Kathy's face.
Kath, how do you feel about our marriage?
You weren't invited to the wedding.
Mark my words. We're winning worlds. Wait, what year is it?
1942.
Wait.
Oh, look at Drew's nose.
It looks like a tin. Oh God.
Why is his nose black?
Alright, hey guys. I'm eating Gushers. That's Brie. It is now almost 4 in the morning. KK's still out. Anthony's out. Jordan's also out. Guys, say hi to the vlog.
New York.
Honestly, stop at the vlogs. We all hate you.
So it's 3.
Coach just went to bed. Some people are in there.
So I'm recording me. I'm annoyed right now.
Why are you annoyed?
Because I hate doing corn rows. Like, no offense towards you.
She did mine.
She made me do her whole freaking head.
MVP.
And I just spelled that. I'm not picking it up.
Coaches are in here. And I was gonna sleep in there on a freaking nice couch. They freaking lock the door when they're upstairs, which makes...
I have a great idea. I'm gonna crawl through the hole.
Yep, crawl through the hole.
Big enough.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Tracy Barbie. This is what our uniforms look like. Get this shit out of my show. Hey guys, we're going to the grocery store. We should probably buy like a couple chips though. Ooh, got a little messy with that one. Bitches are back.
It's better than ever.
Good morning. We're grubbing. Alright, hey guys, it's 9:30. I have my bathing suit on. And we are going to Dunkin' because we need energy because we slept less than 2 hours, maybe.
Actually, I slept 3 hours.
Keep track. Do we have directions?
I'm just gonna go left and see what happens.
Alright. On real quick, I was like, can I walk in a bathing
I
suit?
look like I have no pants on at all. It's okay.
How the fuck do I get out of here?
Oh, so this one mom was looking at us like this. And I was like, you got a problem?
She's like, so why you guys up? We were like, what? She's like, teenagers don't wake up this early. Why you guys up? We were like,
Wait.
Because we want coffee, that's why we're here.
we couldn't get coffee. She was like, well, what were you doing all night? We were like,
We were at a team bonding for a cheerleading squad, so frick on.
bitch, you didn't get me nothing. Her phone
You didn't
was
ask?
sitting there. We're like, why is he up?
So we still got Bree out, Carissa, Lily, Rico out. There's Chris. He stayed up all night.
I did.
Here's a fidget spinner.
Tammy and Drew say hi. Oh, level 3. Guys, say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Priorities. Are you gonna eat that piece of bacon?
Yes.
Dang it. All right, we're gonna go over to the hot tub beach.
You're not wrong.
Come in. We're talking about how Anthony's gonna either shave all his hair off or grow it out really long and get rose like Adeline.
And we had practice tonight, and we had practice yesterday. I don't know how we're not dead right now because we stayed up all night. So
Hell yeah.
yeah. Oh.
Hey, Billy.
Dang. Good job.
What are you
Wing
doing?
it. Come on, push her up. It was a tie. You have to do it again.
Want to show you how much.
Hey guys, it's around 3:30 and we are going to practice now while we're all dead tired and had 2 hours of sleep.
And too much to eat.
All right,
Alright.
good night.
Good night.
San Francisco.
Mark, Dom, if you're watching this, bring us our stick back.